you need a Trojan? I think I have.
Oh yeah, here we go. Yo, come here, come here. Or maybe those ones.
Hey, you remember when you revealed your face or not? Well, you could do it?
Oh shit.
What am I watching?
Oh fuck. Oh shit! Oh
wait,
shit!
How did you do it?
Bro, is this shit all dented up?
Wait, what the fuck? How did you do it, man?
Keep going for that cop. Keep going for that cop. I'll tell you in a minute. Oh shit.
Hold on, there's a cop up and at him. Are we good?
Watch, come this one. Yo, I got a hard swing.
So it's gotta be with a bat, right?
Yeah, with a bat. And then you gotta fucking.
Don't hurt yourself.
I'm charging up my swing.
Don't hurt yourself, man. Damn.
Oh man, almost broke his back, man.
He's getting old.
Say shit for me, man. Yeah, that shit looks fucking sick.
Get out of that.
Shit, I've been getting cash, baby. Folded cash in this motherfucker.
How much?
I think I got 4 total.
Oh shit, $20. Let's go.
Ain't bad though. Hit those on the side, you know what I'm saying?